Now we come to case study number 5, doing valuation using the free cash flow for the firm. You have already gone through the case study and you have all the information pertaining to this case study with you. What I have done, I have formatted the entire case in the Excel sheet, and you will have to help me with the numbers, which I will keep on plugging from time to time. And this is how we will complete the entire case study. Right. So let us start with the EBITDA. So how much should be the EBITDA figure for the year 2021? Please tell me.
Okay, 300 crore.
Yeah. So let's look at it.
No, 300 crore into
300 crore into, yes, that's absolutely correct.
1.15.
That's absolutely correct. So it will have to be 300 crore into. So the cash flow for 1920 was 300 crore. The explicit forecast period is of 5 years, and during those 5 years EBITDA is growing at the rate of 15%, and therefore we will need to multiply the EBITDA with the 15%. So 300 into 1.15, right? So this is my EBITDA for year 1, that is 2021. And what I will do, I will again multiply with this the growth rate during the explicit forecast period, and then what I would do, this is going to be my EBITDA for the for all the years, right, from year 1 to year 5. Okay. Now depreciation. So my depreciation, I think, is given. How much should be my depreciation, everyone?
depreciation it has given
Yeah.
that 1,000 crore with annual 100 crore 10%.
Yeah. So it will be how much is the value of the assets?
1,000 crore.
1000 crore, right? So 10 crore is going to be my depreciation, and what I can do is I can simply copy it, because this is going to be same for all 5 years, right? Okay. What about the EBIT? So my EBIT is 345 minus the amount of depreciation that I have, and this is my EBIT for all the years. Now I need to calculate my interest, right? Because I need to adjust the figure of interest, and what I will do is I will come here for the interest calculation on the term loan. So how much is my opening balance of the term loan? Is it 500 crore? So my term loan is 500 crore, and rate of interest is 8%, and it is repayable in 5 equal installments. So on 1920, or that is 31st March 2020, the opening balance of the loan was 500 crore, and repayment is happening in 5 equal installments for next 5 years. So therefore I'm going to repay 100 crore for next 5 years, and this is what I will do, take it here. And the closing balance, of course, is going to be opening balance minus the repayment, and that's my closing balance. And closing balance of the last year becomes the opening balance of the next year. So this is what I can take it here, and I can drag this so as to get the figure for all the 5 years, and I drag this also for all the 5 years, and this is how it is. And then what I would do, I would apply the rate of interest to the amount of loan out, sorry, not with this. uh, uh, I'm sure you will follow me. So this is the opening loan amount, and rate of interest is given to us, that is 0.8%. So the interest for the first year is going to be 40, and interest for the remaining years is going to be 32, 24, 16 and 18. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And once again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make them just in no decimal points, so they, because the numbers won't change. Okay, that's how it is. Now what I do, I will take the interest figure here, and from here, so let me shift it, let me just copy it, and this is how is going to be my interest for all these years, right? Okay, so It's so simple. You know, when you understand the entire process, life really becomes very easy and good. Now, what is my EBT? My EBT
सर
is
और एक बार सर इंटरेस्ट वाला दिखा दीजिए.
sure, sir,
इंटरेस्ट
sure, sir,
वाला
sure, sir,
कंफ्यूज हो
sure,
जाता
sir,
है.
sure, sir. Yeah.
इंटरेस्ट 500 था
हाँ जी,
ओपनिंग
नहीं
बैलेंस
नहीं,
में.
my not interest. My term loan was
टर्म लोन
500
हाँ.
crore in the beginning. So
टर्म लोन
that is
100 करके
500.
पेमेंट रीपेमेंट 100 करके हो रहा है.
हाँ जी,
तो 100 करके कमती हो जा रहा है.
करेक्ट. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस 400 हो जाएगा at the-
बैलेंस
हाँ
400.
हाँ जी,
इसका 10%.
हाँ जी. 400 का नहीं सर, 500 का 10%.
हाँ वही तो गड़बड़ हो गया.
500 का 10% नहीं सर, 500 का 8%.
8%. हाँ
हाँ
500 इंटू 8%.
हाँ जी.
तो इतना झमेला नहीं करके सर डायरेक्टली कर देना था. तो 100 करके कमती होगा ना उसमें गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
नहीं सर, क्या है ये पूरा प्रोसेस करते हैं तो क्लैरिटी रहती है. बिकॉज कर सकते हैं जो आप कह रहे हैं वो कर सकते हैं, पर चक्कर क्या है कि एग्ज़ाम में वो जो ऑप्शंस होते हैं ना सर, वो एमसीक्यू के 4 जो ऑप्शंस होते हैं ना, वो अपना जो आंसर है उसमें से निकलना चाहिए. 5वां आंसर अपन नहीं दे सकते हैं वहाँ पे. प्रैक्टिकल सर, प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में अगर आप
करना है ठीक से.
हाँ, प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में वैल्यूएशन करते समय अगर थोड़ा बहुत ऊंचा नीचा हो गया ना तो चल भी जाएगा, क्योंकि कुछ फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. पर एग्जाम में अगर एक ही पॉइंट से कुछ डिफरेंट हो गया तो वो नंबर कट जाएगा एक्चुअली. सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो लेट अस डू दिस एंड आई विल कैलकुलेट माई EBT. So EBIT minus my interest, and this is my EBT for and then what I would do, the tax rate is already given, that is 25%. So, and for the sake of simplicity, the interest tax rate is taken on EBT, and then EBT minus the tax that we are paying, and that's my EAT. All right, and then what I will do, I will simply drag it for the 4 years, right? For the 5 years, 4 years. Okay, so this is my computation of interest after tax, net income, net profit, and profit after net. I mean, I put them deliberately so that we have a clarity as to they all mean the same thing. So what we have done is, we have completed 2 steps. Step number 1, we have arrived at the figure of EAT, and we have also computed the interest, right? Now what we need to do, now we need to calculate our computation of FCFF and computation of present value of future cash flows. So how do we calculate, how do we compute?
और एक बार पीछे में जरा जाइए ना सर.
Sure sir, sure sir.
That is 40 हुआ.
हाँ जी,
245 माइनस 40 हुआ.
हाँ जी,
205.
हाँ जी.
उसका बाद सर टैक्स ना.
उसके बाद में टैक्स सर, यस.
टैक्स 25% में.
हाँ जी,
25 वो चाहिए, इससे टैक्स माइनस कर लो.
हाँ
वो
जी,
डायरेक्टली नहीं आता है. अरे बाप रे बाप. तो EAT
हाँ जी.
EAT के मतलब से